I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Thania and I film all kinds of pink, girly, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. If that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. So for today's video, I'm wearing a red lip, and by the title of this video, you already guessed why. I've been really in the Valentine's Day spirit. I've been pinning and looking up so many Valentine's decor on Pinterest and Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, before you continue with the video, make sure you guys go and follow me on there. I have a super pink feed, so if you guys love my channel, you are going to love my Instagram. I'll put a little picture right here of what my feed looks like. That way you guys can get kind of an idea. Come over and follow me. I'll put the link down in the description box. Continuing on with the video, now that you have gone to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to be doing an entire Valentine's house tour as well as decorate with me. I know you guys love watching these videos, just judging based off of my Christmas one. So if you have not seen my Christmas one, I will link it down below. I know it's not Christmas anymore, but I still showed you guys how I decorated my house for the holidays if you're interested in seeing that. I did do a Valentine's decor haul, so if you didn't see that video, I'm going to link it down below. Say you're just like clicking on this channel randomly. So yeah, I did a actual haul showing you all the decor that I used in this video. If you guys are wondering where any of my decor is from, I'm going to link that video down below so you guys can check that out as well. So I'm going to be posting additional photos, links to everything, all of that good stuff over on my blog. There will be a whole blog post on all of my Valentine's decor, so I'm going to link that post below if you guys want links to things and stuff like that. It's all on there, and if you guys subscribed, you obviously will get email notifications of all my blog posts as well. So make sure you guys do that, which subscribing on here and on my blog are two different things. So on my blog, there's a little form where you can actually subscribe to my blog separately, so that way you guys get notified. I feel like I've rambled on enough. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I decided to go ahead and do a DIY on this adorable garland because at the time the Target one that I wanted was sold out. So I just literally cut out some hearts into cardboard, and I used a little paper heart that I made as a stencil, and I just drew them out, cut them out into little cardboard hearts like this. And then I just took some pink yarn. I just found this one at Hobby Lobby. And I basically just took the yarn and I tied it around the heart. I secured it first, and then I went in and I just wrapped it around the hearts like a million times, guys. Basically until the hearts were completely covered in the yarn. And it made them look really fluffy and bouncy because the yarn basically gathered in the middle, so it looked really like pillowy. And basically this is what it's going to look like once you're done. So I went ahead and took the yarn and I cut off basically at the end, and the way that I sealed these is I just lifted a piece of yarn that was already like tied around it, and then I just looped it in and I tied it, and that made sure that it stayed secure. I did tie it like 2 or 3 times, and then I just tied it onto a longer piece of yarn to create the garland. Now I'm just starting out with my living room. I just laid down a piece of fur. This is like a rug slash throw, if you will, and then I also added some pink pillows. I think adding pinks and reds to your decor will just automatically make it look really Valentine's Day, even if it's not necessarily a Valentine's Day piece. I went ahead and added these 2 little garlands above my fireplace, not on my fireplace, above it. This one says Love Story and it's from Target, and then I added one of my DIY garlands. I did end up making 2 of these, and you will see where I use the other one later on in the video, but this one went above my fireplace. And then I just tied them, and if you want to know how I attach them, I just put some tiny little nails. You could even use thumbtacks. Then I just added some decor to the sides of it, like candles and this little picture from Target and this little sign that says love. And then I just added a little dish of candy hearts. I feel like Valentine's Day sweets also make really good and inexpensive decor. And obviously I always add candles to all my decor. I love candles. I have a million candles everywhere, so candles are a must for me. Next, I'm going to be decorating my little coffee bar area. I started by adding this cute garland from Target. I will link it if I can find it. I think last time I checked it was sold out, but they should be restocking it since we're not even close to February. So I will link it anyway for you guys. Then I just added my little 2-tier tray. This is what I like to decorate the most. And I added some hearts, some K-cups, and some mugs. And then some little coffee straws or stirrers, and then a jar of heart marshmallows, this cute little macaron from the Dollar Tree. And then I just took some Dollar Tree flowers to kind of decorate around, and then I also DIY'd a yarn heart. So that was pretty simple and easy and really inexpensive to do, honestly. I also added my little syrups, and then last minute I decided to put them on top of this little like cake stand thing because I thought they looked really cute. And this is what the final result looks like. For the rest of the kitchen, I always like to do holiday themed, I guess, kitchen tiles. I feel like it's an easy and inexpensive way to decorate for different seasons without breaking the bank, because you can find these at Dollar Tree, the Dollar Spot, Target Dollar Spot, sorry. Mine are from Home Goods though. I did go ahead and add this little piece here with the little hearts. And moving on to my wine hutch, I did do a DIY on this garland. You guys already saw at the beginning of the video, but I started by hanging that first. And then I always like to wipe things down before I decorate, because in Texas a lot of dust gathers up for some reason. We just have like really crazy weather here, so I'm always having to dust and stuff because I do get allergies, especially during the spring. So I'm just wiping everything down, making sure that it's all dust free and clean and that there's nothing on it. Now I'm just going to be adding some decor. I use these cake stands and then put treats on top of it, like cherry hearts and heart marshmallows and some Russell Stover chocolates. I added some cute little goodie bags, another inexpensive way to decorate, and this little sign that I found literally at Dollar Tree, you guys. I added another one of my favorite champagne toast candles. And then I started off by decorating the sides. I tried to keep it really clean and fresh. So I tried to only add 1 or 2 items to each of the little shelves. I did also DIY this little jar with the flowers. And like I said, I like to keep things really clean. So I only put like minimum amount of things as possible, just to still make it look fresh but Valentine's Day. So I picked cute little pink items and jars and wine bottles because it is a wine hutch, so we gotta have wine. I also decided to spice up my little coffee bar cart that I have in my beauty room. So I have a second Keurig in here. I know, couldn't say no to getting another pink Keurig, honestly. And so I just have my little Hello Gorgeous mug that's from Target. I have my syrups. I usually find these at like Home Goods or Marshalls or Ross. And then I have another little heart bowl with more K-cups. This one's just smaller than the one on the other coffee bar area. And then I have some more of the little straws and these little heart containers from Target, as well as these are for a certain kind of K-cup that I got. It's just like a cappuccino packet that goes before you pour the coffee. And I put some more of those little heart marshmallows in a Dollar Tree jar. Around the coffee bar cart, I put the little tassel garland you guys saw in my haul. And then underneath here, we have Mrs. Bear. And this is a little flower bear that my friend Charlotte made me. So I will link her Etsy down below if you guys are interested. It's just a super cute little pink bear that matches the tassels. So I just put him down there for decor. And this is what the entire little bar cart looks like. And this is the only thing I decorated in my beauty room. I figured it would just give it a little bit of that little Valentine's Day touch. Alright guys, so this is the finished kitchen, and sorry if you hear the TV in the back. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I didn't go too crazy, but I think you can kind of catch the hint over here that you guys saw in my haul. And then we have this right here. You guys also saw these pieces in my haul, which I will link below if you haven't seen. And then we come this way, and I just have some baking stuff ready to go because I want to make some Valentine's cupcakes. And then I just have the little cute stand from Target with a candle on top. I didn't do too much in this corner because it's kind of hidden. And then when you come over here, I have my little coffee bar area. And the sun's hitting really weird, so excuse how this looks over here, but I did put my syrups on another one of those little stands as well. And here's what it looks like from this angle. And that's pretty much it, you guys. And lastly, we have my wine hutch, and I love decorating this for the holidays. And we have a baby. Hi, mamas. Okay, no, she's just passing by. top, I just put my DIY garland, and I literally made this out of yarn, which you guys saw earlier. And then this middle part right here is my favorite, and you won't believe that most of the stuff on here is like Dollar Tree. So this little happy Valentine's sign with the little bike I thought was so cute. That's from Dollar Tree. So are the little gift bags that you see over here in this corner. The dish right here you guys saw in my haul is from Home Goods, and this candle is my favorite from Bath & Body Works. This heart clear jar right here, and the candies inside, which are these Russell Stover strawberry cream candies. These are both from the Dollar Tree. And then this one came in a set with the other small one from Home Goods, and the marshmallows in this one are from Home Goods, which I might actually put these away because I don't want them to harden, but I thought they looked really cute in that bowl. And then we have some cherry hearts, which are some of my favorite Valentine's candies, and I put those in a mason jar. The bigger cake stand in this is from Home Goods, and the smaller one is from Target. So here's what it all looks like. I just did a bunch of decorations. I also DIY'd this from the Dollar Tree. Put inside of this are from the Dollar Tree, and so is this jar. I have this is from Hobby Lobby, and then this is another one of those framed arts that I made in my DIY video in the past, so I'll link that below. Then we just have some little roses inside a heart. This is from the thrift store. Then we have my DIY flower box, which I will also link below because this makes such a great Valentine's gift. So if you are wanting to make this for someone, I'm going to link the DIY below as well. And then on the bottom, I just put some more little gift bags. This Moet bottle right here was from mine and Manny's first Valentine's Day, so I always just keep it as decor. And then these little tubs are both from the Target dollar spot. This jar is from Hobby Lobby, as well as these martini glasses. We just have a candle up there. And again, just decided to keep it really simple, not too crazy, but I feel like it looks really cute. Alright guys, so this is the finished living room. I'm not going to talk too much about where everything's from because I already did a Valentine's Day decor haul, so if you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. However, I did end up adding this cute little heart dish here. I think I'm going to put some more treats on this. I'm going to have to go find some more Valentine's Day goodies. We have some candy hearts or conversation hearts. And I just lit a candle. I always light too many candles to do the actual reveals and tours because I think it looks so pretty. But normally I only light one at a time. So the tray here is a tray I found at a Home Goods, and I spray painted it gold. It used to be blue. And then the flowers are the same flowers from Amazon. This is a peony candle from Ross. All my throw pillows, pretty much all of them are from like Home Goods or Ross. The fluffy pink ones are both from Home Goods. So are the fluffy whites and the big white ones as well. And then we have all of the decor I showed you guys, and then the little DIY garland that I made with yarn. And we have some more candles and some Target decor. And that's everything for the living room. That's everything for my Decorate With Me for Valentine's Day for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first Valentine's Day in this house, so I tried to keep it like more simple-ish on the Valentine's decor because I definitely went all kinds of crazy for Christmas, but Valentine's Day is like a shorter holiday and stuff, so yeah, but it gives me an excuse to pink up the house, so have to take advantage of that. But anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until the end, leave me some Valentine's emojis down below. Make it interesting. Tell a story with your emojis, and then I'll try to guess it in a response. I think that would be really fun to do. Alright guys, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.